Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping flow and relieving pressure. That prevents sewage backup and keeps the area safe. Once done, expose the damaged section by removing cleanouts or a minimal drywall patch so you can see the cast iron. Make sure to wear gloves, eye protection, and a respirator. The smell and debris can be hazardous. Simultaneously stage tools, reciprocating saw with a carbide blade, pipe supports, replacement couplings, and flanges. Do not delay, preparation dictates success. You now focus on removing the failing cast iron section, score around the circumference, then cut with a reciprocating saw using steady, controlled strokes so you preserve 1/2 inch of solid pipe on each side for a secure coupling. Once removed, deburr and clean the ends, dry fit the coupling or flange adapter to verify alignment and the proper slope for drainage. Make sure to support both pipe ends so the new section does not sag. Tighten coupling bolts evenly to the specified torque to compress the gasket. You begin final assembly by running a water test and observing joints for leaks and correct flow. Fill slowly, then run for several minutes. Once watertight, restore insulation, repair the wall, and note date and parts used for future reference. If you see a persistent drip, first tighten bolts in a cross pattern. If that fails, drain, unbolt, reseat the gasket while inspecting for nicks or debris. Finally, replace the coupling or adapter if compression is uneven. That troubleshooting step usually resolves the few remaining issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.